impossible to score. So I dream on to someday find that vintage love. I kept on looking, but everyone's such a bore. And out of a sudden, you came through the door. At the next table, your whiskey neat. The lights were dimmed as our eyes met and you saw me. And forevermore, I like to share that vintage dream.
Hello and welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Nicole Cole. I do everything home. I do not decorate with one style. I use all styles, whether it's vintage, cottage, farmhouse, traditional. I love it all and I use it all and I mix it and I show y'all how to do that as well. So today we are going to work on a mirror that I told you guys about in my mom and dad's home. This is my mama's special bathroom. I want it real fancy and luxurious feeling, not size, but feeling for her to have a nice girly bathroom for once. So when I went over to their house the other day, she said, Nicole, I have this gold mirror. I say the other day, this has kind of been some time back before we even kind of started the design of the bathroom. And this is how my brain works. And I'm explaining to you why. So she said, I have this gold mirror. Would you like to have it? I know that you're kind of redoing mirrors to put in your house. And if you want it, you can have it. And I kept looking at it and I said, well, Mother, why don't we put this in your bathroom? So with that, I ran with it. So I got the pulls. I got the faucet, I got the shower head, and then I picked out the tile. So it is a process. It starts with one main thing that you really love and you want to use, and you just build on that process. Now, we painted the wall in my mother's bathroom, mother and daddy's, it's daddy's too, sorry, I should say that, but in their bathroom, and I painted it a darker gray, and I am gonna put some brown or some wood elements on that wall as well. But when I saw this mirror once again, I kept thinking, oh, that is so gold. So what I'm going to do with you guys today is I'm going to take wax, chalk paint, and I'm going to make it something different. So let's get changed. Let's get started. And thank you again for joining me today. And if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button because we're going to have lots of fun. Fall's coming up. Christmas is my big deal. I love Christmas. So lots coming ahead. Thank y'all for joining me today. Let's get started.
You are faithful, faithful through all things. You are faithful, faithful through all things. You we are not alone. You remind us to hold on to hope. When we are lost in pain, we cry out your name, and you are faithful. joy.
So let me show you how I did this. So putting the wax on these very intricate areas, I was able to take a napkin wet and just wipe off and get the look that I wanted. So I did that on all of the mirror, and I tried to accentuate the beaded area and the real filigreed area. So this mirror turned out beautiful. It looks totally different, and I can't wait for y'all to see it in full on my mother's wall in her bathroom. I hope she likes it. I hope y'all have enjoyed today. Thank you so much, and have a great day.
Season, we